Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Instagram and going straight to the photo you want to share. Tap the profile, feed, or use search. Once you find the post, check that it's accessible, public, or from an account you follow. Next, make sure you're on the post view rather than grid view so the action icons appear. If it's a carousel, navigate to the specific image. Once you're looking at the exact image, you're ready for the sharing menu. Move to the next step to copy the link. Now tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the post. This opens the action sheet with sharing options. Choose Copy Link, and the app places the post URL on your clipboard. This is how Instagram exposes a direct link to the entire post, not a single image file. If you're on the web, use the browser address bar and copy the URL instead. Once done, paste into a Notes app or message to verify. Make sure to finish, paste the copied link into your chat, email, or social bio and test it. If the link doesn't open, try reloading the post or closing and reopening the app. Sometimes the clipboard didn't register the copy. If copy link is missing, update Instagram or use the web URL as a fallback. Remember, private accounts won't show to non-followers, so if someone reports a broken link, confirm account privacy first. Ask them to follow or use a screenshot as an alternative.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.